Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy eggs and how you can hatch your pet. So if you go to pet eggs here, right now there's a rare egg, there's a common egg, and there's also a common egg. To buy, you're just going to select the buy on the egg. Make sure there is like a stock. There's like an egg here to buy. I already bought the rare one. So let's go back to the garden and place it. So I'm just going to type in egg here. And I'm just going to simply place it anywhere in my garden. You can skip growth, but you will have to pay for it. But I already have a common egg here ready to hatch. So just press E. And I got another dog. I already have a puppy though. So I'm gonna just put that in my inventory. I have 2 dogs, 1 chicken, 1 rabbit, 1, what is this, deer? Stop. 1 deer and 1 hedgehog, which I got from the lunar event. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!